Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest magic ring. Now, I struggled when I first started crocheting and I heard about the magic ring or magic circle. I really struggled with how to make it. So I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to do it. Now I'm just showing you here how to make a slip knot. If you know how to make a slip knot, you can fast forward to about halfway through this video. I'll show you again how to make a slip knot. I also have a tutorial just on how to make a slip knot if you get stuck with it. So you lay down your yarn with the cut or the tail end to the right. Put your finger through the loop. Take the yarn from the left through that loop. And there you go, you've got a slip knot. There are lots of different ways you can create a slip knot, so whichever way you choose to do it is absolutely fine. But you will need to start with a slip knot and a fairly long tail to start to make this magic circle or magic ring. Place your slip knot onto your crochet hook and use the tail end to wrap around your fingers anti-clockwise. There you go, you've actually made a magic ring or a magic circle. That's all you need to do. Now, obviously it won't stay in place until you create your very first crochet stitch through that magic ring. So just making a single crochet and I can let go. And the whole magic ring now stays together. I'll show you again. Slip knot onto the crochet hook, wrapping the yarn around in an anti-clockwise way around your finger. I'm just going to hold that with my left hand, hold that where the loop meets the slip knot just to keep it in place, because if I let go it'll just flop down and be the yarn tail it started out being. That's essentially what we're doing. We're just using the slip knot with that tail yarn wrapped around and we've got our magic ring. So the first crochet stitch that you create into that magic ring will hold it all together. I'm working 6 single crochets, which is how most or many amigurumi projects start. And pull the tail, and that will close up your magic ring or magic circle. It's that easy. If you like this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more crochet and amigurumi content. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay awesome.